So I've changed location again. Just come on to King Parrot Creek now, which is a little bit closer to home in Melbourne. Changed my lure too. Going to start out with a extra XR06. This is a neutral buoyancy lure. It doesn't really matter either way. It's got a good bit of weight in it, good cast, nice natural colours. Hopefully the fish likes it. And that, my friends, is what we're talking about. A beautiful brown. Absolutely corker fish. Just get this net a bit free. He was caught with a little bit of patience on this XR06 in this natural colour. I just took my time. All I did was just work that pull. You saw how steady I was. And that was the big key. This is a very healthy and nice fish, guys. I'll give you a proper look in a second. I'll just get the camera set up. Very nice buck of about probably 2 pounds. You wouldn't be much more than that. He's slippery as all bloody get out. Yeah, probably 2 pounds I reckon. He's still got plenty of kick about him. Yeah, trying to show him to you. I'm really happy with that. He was caught on a Rapala XR6 MAGNUM in a natural colour. I was just starting to doubt the lure, can't believe it now. With my trout in particular, I like to keep a feed of fish. I don't do it with natives, but I find trout taste awesome. They get stocked regularly, so there's no shortage of them. And yeah, particularly in this river here, they're an introduced species. Basically, the Macquarie perch, indigenous to this river. These are competing against them, so I'd much rather see a few mackies go than a couple of trout, so it makes me feel not too guilty about keeping 1 or 2. So yeah, just another look at the lure that did it. Rapala XR06 MAGNUM in this natural kind of colour. Gun lure. That fish just smashed it, he was having that. We're going to keep going on anyway. I'm only 50 metres from my car with this first fish. It's grouse, hopefully we can get some more. Listen, I'm a leader, not all good today. The nice thing about soft plastics, you lose one, doesn't matter. Good fish too. What happens, I get in the current. There we go. Fish number 2. Haha, he was a good fish too. Barely crunched it. I'm happy with that. That's the family dinner taken care of. I don't want to keep any more after this one. Yeah, I'll just get him off his hooks and then we can have a better look. Brown trout number 2. Haha, caught on a Rapala CD5. This fish are in pretty good nick for it. They're just a post spawn run, they're not too skinny. Yeah, really happy with that, guys. Just taking on a Rapala CD5, brown trout, sinking model. Yeah, he's not a bad little fish. I was surprised because I thought that pool might have got spooked. The wood duck got above me, but obviously he didn't mind. That's my family's dinner taken care of for the night. Yeah, I don't want to keep more than that. That's enough. I only keep what I can eat straight away. There's no point freezing them, guys. You're wasting your time. They come up alright, but they're not great. It's much better eating them fresh. That's what I'll continue to do, I think. Yeah, I'm quite relieved about that. I was just wondering if they'd shut off here. Obviously they're still around. Hopefully I can get on to 1 or 2 more with a bit of luck. So the curse with my old Albright knot occurs. Managed to cast off my last CD5. Regardless, I've had a pretty good day. I think I might take that as a message to get out of here before it starts getting worse. It's around about 3:30, so by the time I get back into Melbourne, I'm only 45 minutes away. I'll be just dodging peak hour, which is pretty handy. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned something in the casting. I think you'll see the importance of accuracy, which is what I try to do, and I try to work the pool. So you'll always see me cast from the bottom and work my way up. It's a really important skill to have here. I can't stress it enough. I think the other thing is just your pace of retrieve. It only needs to be just faster than the current. Stick it in the trout's nose, let him know about it, and hopefully he'll come in. Yeah, my name's Sam. I'm from the One Last Cast crew anyway. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you around.